Hey there! So today I will show you a quick and easy way on how to remove your algae in your pond. So if you have a pond, you probably have also a problem with algae, especially these guys, these big patches that go far down. So an easy way of getting rid of them is you use a pole, like I use this bamboo pole. We put in a screw or a nail or whatever, then you just take it into the water where you have the algae, and then you just twist it, like as if you would put spaghettis on your fork. So you just put it forward, and if you have something like this water lettuce, you can just keep that, put in another bucket, or just put it directly back into your pond, whatever you want. It's always a good idea to have a bucket full of water where you put all the algae and whatever you take out of your pond and leave it in there for a day or two, because you might have some animals in there that you would like to put back into your pond that you can easily find in this bucket before you toss the algae. So that's the reason why you want to put your algae into a bucket, because you always will have some life in there, like I have this snail. Don't know how you think about snails, but I like them in the pond. They're not too many, because they take care of all the dead stuff, like leaves and so on, and also eat some algae. So I put it back. If you learned something from that video, please give it a like, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.